Aditya here from TCET Shastra. I am going to talk about the challenge sub-array sum-range problem. Problem statement is given an array A of n integers and a range L to R. The task is to find the number of sub-arrays having the sum in range L to R inclusive. The input format. The first line of the input is the number of test cases T. Each test case consists of two lines of input. The first line of each test case contains three space separated integers n, L and R. The next line contains n space separated integers, that is the element of arrays. The constraints are as follows. Talking about the output format, print the number of sub-arrays for each test case in a new line. Sample input. The number of test cases given is 1. The length of the array is given as 3 and the range is given as 3 to 8. The elements of the array is 1, 4 and 6. The sample output is 3. Explanation. The sub-arrays are 1, 4, 4 and 6. Therefore, the output is 3. Now, before talking about the code, the problem is broken into two main tasks. First, count the number of sub-array whose sum is less than or equal to R. Second, count the number of sub-arrays whose sum is less than L. Finally, the desired result is obtained by subtracting these two whose sum lies within the range L to R. Now talking about the code, which I have written in Python. We define a helper function to count the number of sub-array whose sum is less than or equal to the maximum. This helper function counts all sub-arrays that end at the current index end and have a sum less than or equal to the maximum. Using the helper function, we calculate the number of sub-array with a sum less than or equal to R. Second, the number of sub-arrays with a sum less than L. Finally, by subtracting this both, we get the total number of sub-array whose sum lies within the range L to R. Let's try running the code. Yes, we have passed the sample test case. Now let's try submitting the code. Yes, we have finally submitted the code and it has been accepted. Thank you.